A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Senior KG, Subject Maths. So students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Good. So the previous video we have learned the number names, that is 65 and 66, right? आज हम 67 and 68 learn करेंगे. Okay, the previous video we have learned 65 and 66. So today we will learn the number names, that is 67 and 68. Okay, now take out your pencil and eraser. Come on students, take out your pencil and eraser. Good. Now we will start to write. Okay, write the number names. 6 7. What number is this? 6 7. 67. Very good. Now repeat the spelling with me. Okay, S I X T Y. 60. What's the spelling of 60? S-I-X-T-Y. 60. Now tell me the spelling of 7. S E V E N. Very good. 67. Okay, now again let us repeat. 6 7. 67. Very good. Spell out the spelling. You have to spell out the spelling with me. Okay, S I X T Y. 60. Spell out the spelling of 7. S E V E N. 7. Okay, now again repeat. 6 7. 67. Okay, spell out the spelling. S I X T Y. 60. S E V E N. 7. Okay, again repeat with me. 6 7. 67. S I X T Y. 60. S E V E N 7. Very good. Again, SIXTY 60. SEVEN 7. 67. Okay. Now after 67 comes 6 8. 68. 6 8 is 68. Okay. Now spell out the spelling with me. What's the spelling of 60? S I X T Y. 60. E I G H T 8. Okay, 68. Again repeat. 6 8 68. Spell out the spelling. S I X T Y. 16. What's the spelling of 8? E I G H T 8. 68. Very good. Now again repeat with me. 6 8 68. S I X T Y. 60. E I G H T 8. 68. Again the last one. Tell me what number is this? ये कौन सा नंबर है? 68 is 68. Spell out the spelling. S I X T Y. 60. What's the spelling of 8? E I G H T 8. Very good. 68. Spell out the spelling of 67. S I X T Y. 60. SEVEN. 67. 68 is SIXTY. 60. EIGHT 8. Okay. Now in your homework what you have to do, homework में आपको क्या करना है? You have to practice number names 67 and 68. Okay, you have to practice at home in one page. After that you click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number. आपको क्या करना है? होमवर्क में आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके, नंबर नेम्स 67 एंड 68 आपको एक पेज में प्रैक्टिस करना है. उसके बाद आपको फ़ोटो क्लिक करना है और स्कूल के जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है आपको उसमें सेंड करना है. ओके, you have to practice in one page and you have to spell out the spelling also. Okay, आपको practice करना है और spelling भी बोलना है साथ में. Okay, till then do practice at home so that we can start with the new number names. Okay, thank you and have a great day. Take care.